Hey guys, it's Joe here, founder of Creative Coalition. So here is the application that I've built in the last couple of days. It's built on Bubble. It's mostly a design sprint app. I've been fascinated for a very long time by the design thinking and design sprint method, and just in general how product designers approach different problems and how they solve them. So I've decided to build an app to help people innovate and create solutions to global issues, and not just global issues, but in any kind of issue that is like social problem, and we can just really improve our communities and make the world or a community really a better place. So just long story short, let's get down to the application. So anyone, like any nonprofit or anyone, any individual who wants to solve the issue, will be able to share the issue here. So let's say gender inequality, and here we'll go the brief description of a problem. Actually, it doesn't have to be brief. It can be very what do you mean? What do you call it? Very comprehensive and insightful review or the data or the information about the specific issue so that users who are going to develop the solutions and interact with this application will know what their mission is. So anyway, any user who signs up, who decides to participate in this brainstorming event, is going to review the brief, and then here starts the application. So the first process is to share the problems. Like gender inequality is just very broad definition of the problem, but we on a daily basis it's described in different types of problems. So I've listed here a couple of them. So it can be like discrimination against women, I think, at work. So it can be trafficking and sexual exploitation. Also can be forced marriage, be equal or unequal, unequal. Oh, I think that's right. Unequal opportunities for leadership positions, and so on. So lists can go on, and also as many more users there are, more ideas are going to come out. So it's like the more the better. So then the next step is voting process. So during this process, we or users are going to vote for the problems that are they think are the most important. So, for example, I think let's say trafficking and sexual exploitation is the most important thing out of this. But I can vote for many of these items here, forced marriage, etc. So the next step would be to share a solution, and share a solution is gonna go like top problem, like top voted problem is gonna go in here. So we as users are going to generate the possible solutions. One of the solutions I was thinking about is like directory database of traffickers. So it could be a reporting app. It also could be a heat map and places where trafficking takes place. It could be like for awareness or for anything really. And then you can prioritize from here. So this section is just like voting, but at this stage you don't vote just like vote. You have like impact scale and the effort scale. So I think directory. Let me continue. Let me stop. I'll continue from the next video. So this part of the voting process or section is about prioritizing the solutions. So during the priorities section, we're gonna vote for the impact and the effort scales. So first one is effort, and the second one is effect. So I think directory database of traffickers to create it is gonna be 8 in terms of well, actually it's going to be like 3 in terms of efforts, because you need the database from the government and you have to negotiate with them, talk with them, etc. And then in terms of impact, it's going to be like 5 or maybe even 8. At least that's what my feelings are, right? So then if we create the reporting app, like if you see someone, you think someone is being sex trafficked or exploited, you can just do like effort to build this type of reporting app would be like nothing actually. It's pretty easy. And the impact will be pretty huge, I think. But I think like let's do 5. And the heat map will be on effort, 2 on impact. Maybe in terms of awareness, it's going to be 3. So I've voted for all those problems, and then we've got the winner idea. So the winner solutions are going to be listed in here. Obviously, when participants are going to be like number of participants are going to be much more than one person compared to me doing this right now. There'll be much better problems, much better solutions, and then the idea is like step 2, not to stop at this ideation stage, but to rather execute and build the applications. At some point, like I think I want to get involved and build some stuff for free, but at this stage, I think I need more users to start using this application. And if there are any guys like nonprofits, NGOs, or anyone who's willing to pay for using this application, and also have some ideas how to further develop it, or how to or to partner with me, I'm open. So yeah, let me know, guys.